Looking to add streaming functionality to an older TV, or maybe you just need an easy-to-use streaming option to give you more channels? There's plenty of external streaming devices out there, so which one should you choose? I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I'm going to make a case for a Roku device, and I'd like to thank Roku for sponsoring this blog and video. Their sponsorship helps me keep the blog and the YouTube channel running, and in truth, I've long been a fan of these devices. Here's why. If you've been shopping for a streaming device, you know there's lots out there, and some of these devices are bigger than others. Well, that's fine if you have a place to put them. If you have a wall-mounted TV, you probably want a streaming device that's easy to hide.
Roku Express, Roku Premiere, and Roku Streaming Stick Plus are all small enough to tuck out of the way, and some versions even come with double-sided tape so you can attach the player to the back or the bezel of your TV.
Whether you're still using an HD TV or you've upgraded to a crisper, brighter, higher resolution 4K TV, there is a Roku streaming player for you. The full HD Roku Express is inexpensive and it gives you high quality HD video streams. Now, if you want a 4K option, you can choose the Roku Streaming Stick Plus or the Roku Premiere. Both the Premiere and the Streaming Stick Plus are also HD backwards compatible, making them a great choice if you do plan to upgrade your HD TV to 4K soon.
Gone are the days when you need to pay hundreds of dollars for a premium streaming device. Roku streaming players are affordable, and the range of prices means you can find a Roku streamer that fits your TV and your budget. Roku streaming devices like the Roku Streaming Stick Plus, the Premiere, or the Express, and the new Roku-powered TVs like TCL, Westinghouse, and Hisense Roku all come loaded with a ton of channels so you can access a wide variety of TV shows, movies, and other entertainment. There's plenty of entertainment on the Roku platform, both free options and paid channels, including Canadian TV and programs too. Roku streaming players and Roku TVs have the content necessities you expect, like the Roku channel, Netflix, and YouTube. But now you can also get Apple TV and Disney+. These pay services are bringing even more great shows to the Roku platform, meaning almost anything you want to watch, you should be able to find.
I think Roku is one of the most user-friendly and easy-to-use streaming solutions out there. It's so easy you could put one in your child's playroom and they could use it no problem. Similarly, if you've got seniors in your life or technophobe parents or grandparents who don't usually like fussing with that newfangled technology stuff, you can have them streaming entertainment in seconds. If you're shopping for a new TV, look out too for Hisense, Westinghouse, Sanyo, Sharp, RCA, and TCL TVs, which are all using that easy-to-use Roku operating system as well.
One of the things that makes a Roku streamer great is the included remote control. This compact remote makes it easy to control your Roku streaming device with just a few clicks. With the Roku remote, you don't need to keep giving your smartphone to the kids every time they need to change the channel, like you do with some other streamers.
The remote has all the buttons you need to navigate your TV, including some shortcut buttons for your favorite channels as well, and the batteries are always included right in the box. Now, if you do prefer to use your smartphone as the remote, you can. The Roku mobile app is available free for iOS and Android devices. Download it and you can connect to your Roku Streaming Stick Plus, your Premiere, or your Express for remote control anywhere. The app also has another special feature that makes Roku stand out. A favorite feature of mine is the private listening option with Roku streaming devices. Using the Roku mobile app, you can connect your favorite headphones to your phone and immediately hear the sound from your TV through your headphones. Now, this is a great option when you just can't listen to Baby Shark one more time, or if you want to watch a loud action flick after the rest of the house has gone to bed.
To use it, just tap the private listening button on your Roku remote app and you're ready.
Those are 8 great reasons to pick up a Roku Streaming Stick Plus, a Roku Premiere, or the Roku Express right now. And if you'd like to read more about them, including full reviews of the devices or some helpful how-tos, you can visit TechGadgetsCanada.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Erin. You can catch me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at Facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.